How is that? How can people just join our squad? Is that a thing in this game?
That I do not know.
Oh, Chris, you got to bounce, dude. Jeff asked first.
Earthquake!
Wait.
Earthquake!
What? Really?
Earthquake!
Wait, is this a...
You feel that?
Sorry, wait.
Hold on, we're having an earthquake!
Are you actually having an earthquake?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Oh. Oh, damn.
Was it crazy?
You okay, baby?
Oh, funny.
What's with LA getting earthquakes recently?
I don't know.
Holy shit.
Is it still going?
Okay. Jesus.
Oh, bunny. Look, it's a bunny party.
What's the plan with earthquakes? Like, what's the point?
The Earth realigning? I don't fucking know.
Oh my God,
Do you guys-
crazy.
Are you guys playing regular games right now?
Mm.
Should we just do a bunch of customs? That way, it's like, or no? Or are you guys just doing regular games? 'Cause I can fuck off. I wasn't sure if you guys want to like.
Well, I think Jerf might join in.
Oh, I'll fuck off. Yeah, that makes sense.
But I don't know like the plan and if like customs are better. I don't know.
For sure. Well, because we could do
Dude,
like
you know, I just sneak into your customs. That's how I'm a professional.
Yeah, I know for sure. Wait, I can't believe you guys are playing Fortnite. That's so funny.
Dude, I just want to be an expert
For sure.
at the hoverboard.
Oh yeah. No, you'll get there eventually. You'll get there eventually. That's so funny. I can't believe they're going through an earthquake right now. That's so scary. Yeah, shit. Wait, people in Phoenix are feeling the earthquake right now.
My God.
Yeah,
Everyone's
it might be a
having
bad
it.
one.
What the heck?
Jesus fucking Christ.
That was insane.
That was fucking nutty. That was the fucking craziest
long
earthquake
did that
ever.
happen?
Dude, it just was very long and like a lot of movement.
Everyone in California in chat, are you guys all right? Is
The pool
everyone
right now
okay?
is like splashing all over the place.
Dude,
What the heck?
Yeah, well,
dude, it's still going. There's a little aftershock happening. This is fucking nutty.
that was really crazy.
It was a 7.1, apparently.
Yeah, it felt like the most intense earthquake I've ever felt ever.
That's a big one.
Well, we had one in West.
Where's the
right
epicenter?
under us, which was insane. But yeah, that was very long and
Oh
like a
my
lot of
God.
shaking. But it wasn't like,
Bakersfield?
super fast shaking. It was like rolling shaking, sort of.
Dude,
That's
that was super intense.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No, we're okay. That was just like crazy. I mean, Jenna was comforting Bunny, but I'm trying to I was like, I'm fucking scared. Yeah, I was like, Jesus.
Yeah, it's scary because you have that moment where you're like, is it gonna get worse? Is it gonna get better? Like, should we go outside? Like, what
Is it
should
gonna
we do?
stop?
You know what I mean? Yeah, is stuff gonna start falling on you?
The fact that you're still connected to the internet's so badass. Technologically.
nailed it.
Right. Up to you. Whatever works.
Holy shit! I'm just like,
Is
If
this still
Jeff's,
good?
if Jeff's trying to get in and then he wants to bounce later, I can fill his spot. That's also fine. I don't care.
I'm just taking a sip of
yeah,
my
I'm trying to
drink
like just chill for a sec. Marissa, are you okay?
because life just flashed before my eyes.
Fucking hell! Is
Oh,
Amber in
shit,
here?
dude.
Amber, are you okay?
Dude, yo, this clip of Shroud is insane. He also just got the earthquake just now, like from a few minutes ago.
Yeah, he's not too far away.
Dude,
Yeah, I was gonna
everything's
say you're gonna
shaking.
see a lot of LA streamers right now or around.
Dude, that
What
was
the heck?
fucking crazy.
Easy.
Hey,
Yeah.
baby,
His
come here.
whole fucking room is shaking.
That's not how we
What the hell?
Okay? That's not how we communicate.
Yeah,
Right? No barking.
it's crazy.
You understand? Thank you.
Julian, honestly, I mean, if
Are the
you
other
want me
dogs
to,
okay? They're
like, help you
completely
out,
unbothered. Most
like,
of them
if
are
we're
asleep.
doing
Peach is
memes,
just fading into
the
sleep.
customers
Kermit's
might
completely
be
asleep. Marbles is
a
asleep. They don't
little
give a
better if you wanna
fuck.
do that.
In Westwood though, when we got like a really shaky one, they were barking.
Yeah, back when we lived in Westwood, before we moved
Oh, I know, they got
like
get wood
Dude,
bugging
his
right
whole
out to the
room.
valley, like Marbles and
That's
Kermit,
nuts.
and I think Peach was there. Was Peach there for that one?
Yeah.
They were just barking the whole time. Yeah, we're okay. We're okay. That was just a
Customs is
super,
cool 'cause you
super
get,
intense
like,
earthquake.
A ton of people, and even if you
That,
subscribers too, who
like lasted
play
for
Fortnite,
an
you can
uncomfortably
have
long
a code
amount
for
of
that.
time. 7.1.
like a full lobby, and I could.
That
host
was.
it
I've lived in
on
Southern
Android
California my
device,
whole
too.
entire life. My whole entire life.
Oh, yeah,
That
I
was
didn't
the
realize
worst
you were
earthquake I've
so
ever
close.
felt,
I don't know. I just think like
or that I
customers
remember
and
feeling. I was born in '92,
that
so I was there
seems
for the
to be
'92
so-
earthquake, but
Yeah, no, it's.
I didn't feel that because I was 0.
Doesn't matter.
I just don't know how long he's gonna be on. So
Our house is still fucking chilling though.
So should I just
Yeah.
wait?
We got earthquake insurance in this bitch.
I don't think he's even playing.
Jesus Christ. We do have earthquake
Well, it's waiting
insurance.
on me to
It was
ready, so
expensive as
that's why
fuck.
I could ready up and the game will start, or I can fuck off.
Oh,
Yeah.
Wow.
let's wait till they're. I think they're. just
Yeah,
not
Brooke, are you?
right
Did
now.
you feel that? Yeah, that's
Doing
fuck,
their thing.
fucking. That was a little bit surreal. That was like otherworldly a little
Yeah,
bit.
it like it while it's going on, it like makes you feel like you just want to curl up in a ball and cry.
Yeah, it makes you feel. I've like you don't feel significant at all. You're like I'm a speck.
Yeah.
I could just be crushed right
And
now.
it's like completely eerie because all you can hear is like the sound that your house is making and like the pool
The
splashing.
the fucking pool was throwing water out of it like it was a torrential storm. Like it was crazy. Chat, people are hitting me up. They're like, "Are you okay?" Holy shit. Hopefully no aftershocks. Hopefully no aftershocks, Pete. I would agree. I think we felt a little aftershock actually, but I don't. It's hard to know like what the earthquake is and what the aftershock is because sometimes it's just like it all blends together. Oh my god! Could you see anything shaking? Like, was the camera moving and stuff? That was fucking crazy, dude.
Cool.
Yeah, I want to. Oh, fuck. Jenna, are you okay?
So.
I need to text my mom. I need to call my mom.